How are you feeling?
A little bit nervous.
We don't have motorbikes yet, but I have a little bit of experience riding a bike. I'm not too worried about me. I feel like I can learn how to ride a bike pretty good. But Tanya doesn't really have any experience on a motorbike. So, and my aunt has this bike here. So Tanya is going to learn how to ride a motorbike on an electric pedal bike.
Maybe.
We're not going to pedal at all. We're just going to ride it like it's a motorbike.
Maybe.
She doesn't trust herself yet, so when she gets going, she pedals. Put it in first gear. And just push off and go. No pedaling. I'll do some circles.
Hopefully there's no sharp corners wherever we're going. There's big wide roads.
This is how we're learning to ride a motorbike before we buy a motorbike. They're pretty much the same horsepower. You got this little electric one and whatever bike Tanya ends up getting.
Maybe a pedal bike or an electric.
She might be following behind me with an electric bike. She's doing just a great job. You're not good enough to be doing tricks yet. So how's it feel?
I feel like I'm ready for a motor.
We have this problem with Tanya that she is slightly vertically challenged. And so her inseam,
Even this one is.
yeah, this pedal bike is too high for her. So finding a bike that she can get her feet flat on the ground with, because she wants to be able to put both kind of flat on the ground,
Well,
so that she feels safe.
It's actually a requirement.
Yeah. So that is the plan so far, but that's her riding ability. She's learning.
One
Non-pedal at a
non-pedal
time. We'll just keep riding that little bike until she can do it. How are you feeling?
A little bit nervous, but excited, I think.
Well, for our next adventure, we don't own our bikes yet. As you've seen, Tanya has rode a pedal bike.
An electric bike too.
Oh yeah, an electric bike. Trying to do it without using the pedals. But today, we are going over to my little cousin's ice cream shop.
She is also the same height as me, so it's perfect.
Yeah, and she's a short little human being. So we're going over there because she has a little Honda dirt bike. So Tanya's going to, well, get on her dirt bike for the very first time and learn how to use a clutch and change gears.
We're just gonna work on the balance first and then go from there and get all the gear on.
Little does she know that you can't balance unless you're moving, so that involves the gears.
Or have the motorbike not on yet and just get used to the balance.
But this will be her first time ever, I would say, on a dirt bike.
Yeah, I've rode lots of scooters. I've been on the snowmobile, but
And
never
rode on them. She has rode. I've always driven, or she's rode.
I've driven the snowmobile. I just haven't driven a scooter.
They're not the same at all. The snowmobile doesn't tip over when you stop, and it doesn't have a clutch. This is our trail we walk down. It's not too bad of a little hike over, but we seen this motorbike in the shop the other day when we were setting up some shelving, and she just asked her if we could use it. So we're gonna see how this goes. We found some gear. She said she bought her gear in the kids section, and it seems to fit Tanya, so I guess we have to go shopping in the kids section.
And half the price.
So the bike is a CRF 150. It's a perfect size to learn on. Hey?
Yeah.
So it'll be fun to go from pushing the bike to actually learning how to ride the bike. How are we feeling now?
I'm still a little bit nervous. It's not as bad when I'm on it. It feels heavier when I'm beside it. I can feel more of the weight.
We haven't turned it on yet.
I'm just getting used to the actual feel of it.
It's a nice little bike to learn on.
And I can almost touch the ground with both feet.
And so we'll see how that works with the next bike. We'll have to lower it a little bit. Or the Hornet's getting to you.
Yeah. Race ball.
You ready to start it?
Yeah, maybe.
Two-step. Clutch. So make sure you're in neutral as the bike roll. Perfect. So clutch has to be pulled in. And then you have a kickstart on this one. So pull the clutch in. And then get your foot up on top of the kickstart. It's a little short.
I can't. I actually can't get my foot up there.
So lean the bike over a little bit more. Good thing you won't have kickstart.
Nope.
Yeah. But then the clutch. She can't reach the kickstart and sit on it at the same time.
I don't know why. It's a balancing act.
Well, it started.
Grab it. Just grab it for a minute.
Does not like you.
He likes nobody.
No.
Whoa.
Yay, we made it. The leg's not going to work tomorrow. We'll get there. Just a little bit more gas. There, let go of the clutch. Oh God, I have to run. go of the clutch. Let go of it completely. Yeah, take your fingers off it. There you go. There you go. Give it a little bit more gas. This is not my favorite right now. I am really... Make sure you keep up a little bit of speed. And if you're going to stop, pull the clutch. Oh, we're just racing now. Remember, when you want to stop, pull the clutch. We're not running forever. Some of us don't like cardio, and that's me. I didn't even run that far. Being out of shape sucks. Oh, anyways, she got it going. That's her very first time ever on a dirt bike. We made it through our first ride.
I like it.
The mask, the goggles might have been a little bit small.
The helmet was a little small too, but it was good.
Yeah.
I'm excited now.
She did very good with a couple little stalls at the start. And then once she got going, she didn't stall it at all.
I didn't want to stop because I didn't want to have to start it again.
I told them, she was driving around, and I told Jasmine, I'm like, I don't know if she's tired of driving in circles, and I don't know if she wants to stop, and she just won't because she doesn't know how to yet. But
good, because I felt the turns. I got used to the turns and which way to turn.
yeah, we were pretty excited. She was doing circles around constantly, and then she came back this way, and I was pretty excited that she turned around and she was going the other way.
And then I did figure eights over here.
Yeah. So first gear today, her hands were like a lake when she got off of it. They were so sweaty.
They're a little bit red.
Yeah. But we did first gear today. Tomorrow or the next day.
Probably still first gear.
Yeah. We're gonna slowly work up, but it's a pretty powerful bike for your first time. Like, it's got a lot of snap to it. But
it's good. I liked it. I was going faster by the end.
yeah, she was revving it up a little bit.
Was running with me at the beginning, and
Oh, I know,
at
it's
the
been
end.
filmed.
I know, but at the end you wouldn't have been able to keep up with me.
Yeah, I couldn't keep up with her then. I was really running. But we made it through day one of training. Good job.